Jain student, we are going to discuss the some another questions of the chapter people as a resource, that is MCQ. The first question: if a person cannot find job during the some month of the year, which type of employment is this called? Means a person's उसको कुछ समय के लिए जॉब कुछ मंथ के लिए नहीं मिलती है इन अ ईयर, तो विच टाइप ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन दिस कॉल्ड? द फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चरल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, बी साइक्लिकल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, सी सीजनल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, डी नन ऑफ दिस. तो द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज सीजनल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. मीन्स सीजनल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के अंडर द पर्सन्स कैन नॉट फाइंड अ जॉब ड्यूरिंग द सम मंथ ऑफ द ईयर विच इन दैट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: where is seasonal unemployment found? The options are A urban area, B rural area, in remote area, D both in rural and urban area. So we can find the seasonal unemployment basically in the rural area. Means जो seasonal unemployment है वो basically rural areas में देखने को ज़्यादा मिलता है. And there is another type of unemployment in India, that is a disguised unemployment. Means in the seasonal employment we already know not able to find some job during the some month of the year, and people who basically depend on the agriculture the face like that problem. Or in case of disguised unemployment, people appear to be employed but the work, for example the work requires service of 5 people बट इंगेज 8 पीपल. मतलब रिक्वायरमेंट वर्क का है 5 पीपल्स का, इंगेज 8 पीपल हैं, सो 3 पीपल्स आर एक्सेप्टा. तो दीज 3 पीपल्स आर कॉल्ड डिस्गाइज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बिकॉज आफ्टर रिमूविंग दीज 3 पीपल द प्रोडक्शन विल नॉट गेट बी अफेक्टेड. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: विच फॉर्म ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द प्राइमरी सेक्टर एक्टिविटीज? द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन फॉरेस्ट्री, सेकेंड पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग, थर्ड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, fourth manufacturing. Means all in the four which pairs we call the primary sector activities? The option A 1, B 1 2 3, C 2 3 4, D all the above. The right answer is B 1 2 3. Forestry, poultry farming and animal husbandry are considered in the primary sector activities and manufacture is considered under the secondary sector. The next question: why literacy rate is low in the female? The options are A lack of equal education opportunity, lack of transport facilities, lack of infrastructure, lack of income. And in the 4 option you have to select one. Means ये जो 4 reasons दिए इनके अकॉर्डिंग आपको कौन सा reasons लगता है why literacy rate is low in the female? The right answer is lack of equal education opportunity. The next question, this is sometime like the case study. Visit a village or colony near your resident area. Note down the various activities undertaken by the people of village colony. If it is not possible, ask your neighbor what is their profession, in which of the 3 sectors will categorize their work. Say whether these activities are economic or non-economic activities. Vilas sell fish in the village market. Which type of activities? So here already we know that the economic activity, non-economic activity. In the economic activity we can relate with the generate of the money, exchange of goods and services for the motive of profit, or non-economic activities performed with the social work. So here the first, Vilas sell the fish in the village market, it is considered as the economic activity. Now second question: Vilas cook food for his family. Then this is a non-economic activities. The third, Sakal work in the private firm, so it is the economic activities. Next question: Sakal look after his younger brother and sister. This is a non-economic activities. Thank you.